Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to combine multiple payments into one on Payoneer. So just tab on browser and save time and manually work by making batch payments of up to 1000 transactions at a time, the faster and cheaper. So you will see they are with connected with this Fiverr and Crossover and Upwork and Adobe, and there are many applications are with in Payoneer. So pay in multiple currencies have a global team who all needed paying in different currencies. Pay from any of your platform that can paid. So make up 1000 payments at a time. Easy set up recurring payments, and you will see there are many more options, the same fees and speed as one of payments. So track payment in your account dashboard as well. Batch payments, step by step your business and cash flow are healthier when you're on the top of billing with batch payments. It's easier than ever to be super efficient with payments. So it's very easy and simple to get paid from your clients. Here how it works. So step 1 is sign in to Payoneer, step 2 batch payment, step 3 download template, step 4 input details, validate, review and confirm. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.